Hey guys, it's me, Harlem Guy 13, and it's time for new system test 14. We have the whole system on the wall now. It's pretty cool. I put some labels over there and over here where the knacks are. And let's start by introducing the fire alarms. So we have the SK2 panel as usual. Nothing's really changed, same troubles. I finally put the dress plate on though. It looks really nice now. I'm gonna have to get another resistor to clear that trouble. And here we have the Gentex Commander 1. It's 1575 candela fixed, because at one angle you can see it at 15, and maybe at the other angle you can see it at 75. I'm not sure, but I think something like that. We have the Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe. It's at 930 candela, because it was getting a bit too bright with 75. And we have for Zone 2, Firelight BG12 LR, and Zone 1, and Notifier BNG1TS with a terminal on the back. It's pretty rare. Kind of rare, I'm not sure. And fire alarm demonstration system label thing. So the alarms are on sync, and it's self-coded to code 3. And let's just start it. So yeah, audible silence. The alarm is silent now. The pull station is still activated. So I'm just gonna activate the BG12. And let's go. That was pretty weird. And just reset it. And notifier key. There we go. And let's just reset the system. Strobes are off. Just gonna have its troubles now. There we go. That was kind of weird. It's been happening a bit now. And yeah, so why don't we just drill activate the BNG one? And that'll be the end. So 3, 2, 1. There we go. Pull station's reset. Just gonna get my silent light key because I'm gonna close the door in a bit. So, reset. Might as well just silence the troubles right now. And yeah, here's the completed system. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.